Oh.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
Oh, somebody made a mess. Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, so yes. Police officer is on the way. Police officer will save the day. Who made all this mess around? Oh no, you're acting no good. Whoa!
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Nobody can get me.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Orange shark, hello, hello. Orange shark, hello, hello. Orange shark, hello, hello. Turn around and show your fin. Orange shark, hello, hello. Orange shark, hello, hello. Orange shark, hello, hello. Come and show us how you swim.
Orange shark, shark, shark. 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 Orange shark, shark, wow! Orange shark, shark, shark. Orange shark, shark, shark. Yellow shark.
Hello there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good job.
Wow, looks great. We'll wrap the strand to make the dye hold better. And now we can proceed. Wait a little while for the pigment to show up. In the meantime, I'm gonna check on the water. It's all working. Wow, her hair is so bright now. Let's wash off the excess. Although, we could add some color. Hey, I think the shower's against it. Now let's apply some hair care products, like this. Here we go. Check this out. Here is a fluffy bubble foam. Oh, be careful, it stings. Let me gently rinse it. That's better. Oops, the hair's a bit tangled. I'll fix it. Watch and learn, friends. If your hair gets tangled, use some hair conditioner. Distribute it gently over the length of the hair, like this. And then rinse it off with warm water. Now your hair is clean and soft. We'll let it dry. While cleaning up here, a stylist's desk should always be tidy. Your hair has got to be dried out now. Wow, check this out! It's so soft. Oops, we need to wait a bit more. Oh, I'm sorry. We'll just change the plan then. Let's dry the hair properly with this. Wait, it's not my hair I have to dry. Yay, I'm done! Finally, I can take my gloves off. I won't need them anymore today. A real stylist keeps up with fashion trends. Let's see. Huh? And who put this picture in here? The best hairstyle for you? Sam's bossing me around again. Although, he's right. This one's perfect for the doll. Very soon, she will have a stylish haircut. Oh, that's better. Oops, actually, I forgot about the bangs. Done! Give a thumbs up if you like it. What does the model have to say? Here you go. She approves! Yay! But I think there's something missing. Right, I have an idea. The dolls with straight hair always want curls. Is it the same for you? It came out great, right? We need to add just one finishing touch. Where was it? There you are, a hairpin. The perfect accessory for every fashionista. And this one is really cool too. We'll definitely put this one on as well. Oops, I'm guessing she doesn't like her new look. Okay, I'll make it up to her with new makeup. Stay tuned. Our paper doll looks really tired. Let's help her relax. Makeup is the best cover-up for fatigue. First, we'll clean her skin with wet wipes. You should get rid of wipes with one precise throw. Oops! Sorry, Sammy! We need foam for deep cleansing. It gently cleanses all of the pores and skin. Let's lather it up. Massage her face with a sponge too, like this. The cleansing stage hasn't finished yet. We need to apply a refreshing toner. Hey, where are you going? Come back here. You should make time for yourself. Where are they? I definitely remember putting them here. Aha! We'll use these patches to remove the bags from under your eyes. Let's leave them for a while. Here we go. You can take a little nap now.
Aha! Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Oh! Wow! Whoop.
I almost fell asleep myself. Let's see how great it turned out. Yay! No more tired eyes. And here's my favorite part, a tissue face mask. It's also good to use incense sticks. Enjoy the scent. Wow, our dolly looks awesome. And now let's hydrate her skin with a serum. Just a few drops all over her face. We'll help it soak in. Pop, pop, pop. So pretty. Now let's get her makeup on. Or shall we dance to the beat? Oops, I think I've missed one step. We need to apply some face cream first. Her lips are too dry. They also need moisturizing. I have a special balm for it. Now her skin is glowing, and it gets even better from here. It's beauty time! So, are you ready to complete our doll's look? Let's start with a makeup foundation. And here's my special brush set, which will make our job easier. So, which one to choose? I think this one will do. Let's gently blend concealer under her eyes. This. We need to clean the brush now. Or maybe I should paint first. All right, let's get back to work. Now the base will come in handy. Let's go. We'll take a sponge and carefully distribute the base against her face skin. Forehead, the cheeks, the nose, it all needs our attention. And here's something else for a striking look. Let's start with contouring. It helps add volume to her facial features. And we need some highlighter for the glowing effect. Use some blush. I like to apply it with my finger. How about a temporary tattoo, huh? Okay. The guest wish is the law. What eyeshadow color would you like? Bright pink, maybe? Let's try it on one eyelid first. Wow, so bright. I'm gonna apply it on the other one, too. I love pink makeup. It's my favorite. Now let's comb the eyebrows just a bit. We should pay more attention to the eyelashes. Let's glue them on. Achoo! Whoops, this looks funny. Let's glue them onto the right place. Up and right here. Now let's apply 5D mascara. We just need to pick a lipstick. So, which color is the best? I like this one. We have lipsticks for any occasion here. Let's try it. This color is great. Only now I want to try a different one. Don't panic. We'll remove it. And now we'll try this shade. All shades of pink. I love it. I also want to add a few more details. Wow, this is insanely stylish. Makeup artist Sue has finished her job. Shall we do a fashion show? Let's go! Yeah, being a stylist is harder than I thought. Hey, careful! What, this again? Wait, what? Looks like our doll has brought her friends. Well, I'm ready. Now I'm a super makeup artist. Give a thumbs up if you like my new job. And see you again very soon. Bye-bye!
Oh, hello. Are you an actor?
I am indeed charmed. Right, let's get to work, shall we? Do my face.
I don't know how.
Well, you are here to do my makeup, aren't you?
No.
Oh, well, who are you?
I'm Rebecca. I'm the new film director.
Director? Well, that is very good news. The last chat we had was absolute rubbish. I said to him, how do you want this alien to speak? Do you know what he said to me?
What?
He said to me, why don't you try acting? See what comes out. Me.
You?
Yes, me.
Oh, well, I won't say that then. So, what kind of makeup are you having done?
Well, they're making me look like a wrinkly alien.
Not much makeup needed then. Oh, only joking. Just a silly little joker. I'm just going to see you in the studio in a bit.
Wrinkles? Me?
Keith, top of page 7, I'd like a wide shot of the palace door. Keith? Where's he gone? Oh, well, I'll read the script while I'm waiting. Oh, the alien crashes on Earth in his spaceship and meets the princess in this palace. But wait, the princess has a wicked uncle who's locked her up. This is good.
Oh, it's okay. It's only me.
Good. You shocked me.
Yes, it's this alien head. It's very itchy. Where's Keith?
On a tea break, I think.
Oh, of course. Well, we can rehearse without him.
Okay, let's do the bit where you arrive at the palace and you're looking for the princess.
Okay, then, but this thing is very, very hard to see in. And it's terribly, terribly hot. Right, here goes. Fair princess, I have returned.
Okay, what happens now?
Well, then the princess comes in. Come in. Oh, I'm so sorry I'm late. Late again. There's lots of people outside the studio, you know, autographs, selfies. I couldn't get through. Anyway, here I am. Who are you?
I'm Rebecca. I'm the new film director.
Oh, very good. Hello there. Can we get on, please? It's very, very hot in here.
Okay, the alien needs to come and stand right here, and you should come to meet him just there. Perfect.
Fair princess, I have returned. We must leave this place immediately, as your wicked uncle will wake up and lock you up again. Tell me, princess, will you come with me now?
Yes.
Okay, is that it?
Yes, that's it.
Oh, okay, good. Well, we better film it then.
Ready.
Places, please, everyone.
And I'm recording.
Good. Oh, my first bit of filming. Off you go then. Why aren't they acting? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? Directors must say the word action at the beginning of filming so the actors know when to start their performance, and the word cut when it's finished. Action.
Fair princess, I have returned. We must leave this place immediately, or your wicked uncle will wake up and lock you up again. We must go.
Phew, my first time directing, and it almost went wrong. It's quite good, this.
Tell me, princess, will you come with me now?
Yes. Now you say cut.
Oh, yes, of course. And cut. Well done, everyone.
Oh, must be time for another tea break.
Yes, of course. Tea break, everyone.
Let's play.
I quite like filming.
Rebecca, the actors have learned their lines.
Coming. More filming. Exciting.
This is so tiring.
Okay, let's do the last scene.
Rightio.
So the uncle has just woken up, and you both need to rush away before he catches you.
Okay.
And action.
Come, princess, we must flee right now. Ouch! Oh, my toe! My toe!
Carry on, carry on.
Oh, this way, my darling alien. We have to, we must, what's my line?
Run away.
What?
Run away.
We must run away. This way.
Oh, this costume is really, really itchy and very, very hot.
Oh,
Whose phone is that?
not mine.
Cut, cut, cut. This is awful. It's all going wrong.
I couldn't see where I was going.
I couldn't remember my line.
Can someone answer that phone?
It's coming from your direction.
Hello? Mr. Big Cheese? You're right outside? It's Mr. Big Cheese. He mustn't see this. Yes. Just coming, Mr. Big Cheese. Okay, bye. Ah, Mr. Big Cheese, how nice to see you.
How you doing, kid? How's my film coming along?
Yeah, pretty well. We're just doing some of that filming stuff.
Okay, great. Let me see.
Not quite at the moment. Don't want to interrupt the actors in their very good work, which is going so well.
Maybe I'll come back a little later.
I'll finish off filming while you go and plan at the party to celebrate the success of the film.
The success of the film. I like that idea. Okay, keep going, kid.
What are we going to do? It's all going wrong. This film isn't going to be very good at all. Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? That's it.
Take two.
Film directors often record each part of the film more than once and then choose the best bits. That's what I need to do. Come on. Okay, everyone, we're going to need to film that last scene again. So, Princess, do you know your lines?
I think so.
And Mr. Alien, if you could move this way, then you won't bump into each other.
Great idea.
Okay, and everyone's phone switched off.
Hold on. Yep.
Okay, great. Here we go. Ready, and action.
Come, princess, we must leave right now.
Oh, this way, my darling alien. We must run away.
And cut. Excellent. Good work, everyone. Phew. We better crack on and film the rest.
Let's play.
I love you, princess.
And cut. Excellent.
Are we finished yet? I need to take this itchy head off.
Yes, all done.
Oh, thank goodness.
Mr. Big Cheese is going to be so pleased. Lots of very good filming.
So when are we going to film the big ending? You know, when the alien and the princess fly off.
Eh?
This bit.
The alien and the princess fly away to a distant planet. What? I missed that bit. We need to do some more filming, and fast.
All right, well, shall I go and get the...
You get the actors, and I'll meet you outside.
Right, okay. Tea or coffee?
No time for that.
Let's play.
Right, where are the actors?
This thing is so heavy.
This way.
They're coming. I need to make sure this goes absolutely right.
we're here.
Oh, what are those things on your back?
Jetpacks, and they're really heavy. We've got to turn these things on and then press the button, and it makes us fly into the air.
It's going to ruin my hair.
Okay, shall we do it then? So if you want to head over there and start your jetpacks, and I'll start filming. And when I say action, you press the red buttons and fly away.
What now?
No, not yet. The cameraman's not here yet.
Hello.
Right, everyone's here. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Actors, start your jetpacks. They're very noisy.
What did you say?
I said they're very noisy.
Can't hear you over the jetpacks. They're very noisy.
Okay. And action. I said action. Action! I said action, but you didn't hear me.
Oh, did you? Well, that's not going to work, because if we can't hear you saying action, then we won't know when to press the red buttons.
And we won't fly into the air.
Yes, I know. What are we going to do? If the actors can't hear what I'm saying, how will they know when to press their buttons? Oh, hold on. I know what we can use. Do you? I knew this would come in handy. So, instead of saying action, I'm going to wave this flag instead. And when you see it, you press your buttons and then you fly off.
Excellent idea.
Oh, she's very good, isn't she?
Oh, yes. Much better than that last director. He wasn't very good at all.
No, he wasn't. He was...
Could we get on now, please? Mr. Big Cheese is coming soon,
Okay.
and I need to make sure this film is finished before he arrives.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, start filming. Start your jetpacks. Oh, they're going. They're flying. We're filming. Wow, look at them go. Flat cut. Well done, you two. Well done, everyone.
No problem. Looks like it's going to be a good film after all. I'm off for a cup of tea. Nice working with you.
Thanks, Keith. Bye. Well, we did it, but we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. Film directors decide the best place to put the camera to record what happens. They say action to start filming, and then they say cut to stop filming. And they often record each part of the film more than once. Take two, action. I think it's time we went home.
Rebecca, that was out of this world.
Did you see it, Mr. Big Cheese?
Did I see it? I certainly did. This film is going to be a huge success.
Oh, I'm so pleased. Where did the actors end up?
In a field. The cow was quite surprised. I switched off their backpacks. They're taking off their costumes right now.
Well, I've got to go, Mr. Big Cheese. Just one more thing.
What's that, kid?
Could I have that spanner, please?
This is the least I could do. There you go. Thanks, kid. See you later.
Thanks, Mr. Big Cheese. Goodbye.